Inside this factory, time does not matter. There is no morning rush and no night slowdown. Steel moves the same way, hour after hour. Look at these machines standing ready even before the shift begins. They are already positioned, already aligned, already prepared. Nothing here waits for motivation. As the first machine starts, notice how calm the movement is. No sudden motion, no wasted energy. Just steady force applied exactly where it's needed. This factory does not rely on speed to stay powerful. It relies on consistency. Watch the conveyor line begin its endless motion. Raw material enters from one side without pause, and it never truly stops coming. Day or night, the flow remains the same. Thousands of tons move through this space every single day, and each piece follows the same precise path. Look closely at how the machines communicate without sound. One stops exactly when another begins. Timing replaces effort at this scale. Now, shift your focus to the heavy machinery deeper inside the factory. These machines are built to carry loads that never rest. Massive weight moves as if it's routine. The floor absorbs pressure. The frames hold steady. And the machine never hesitates. This is what nonstop production looks like. As night falls outside, nothing changes inside. Lights remain on. Motors continue turning. There is no fatigue here, only repetition perfected over time. Watch the robotic arms perform the same motion again and again. Each movement identical to the last. No emotion, no distraction. Only execution. This is how factories stay alive while cities sleep. Now look at the press machine, engaging slowly. Steel aligns perfectly before contact is made. Pressure builds evenly across the surface. Nothing cracks. Nothing bends unexpectedly. The result is exactly what was designed. This process does not improve overnight. It improves over years of refinement. Notice how the machines never rush the final step. Placement matters more than speed. Control matters more than power. The finished piece moves forward immediately. There is no pause to admire the result. Another cycle begins instantly. This is why production never stops. Observe the scale of the operation from a distance. Multiple machines running at once, each handling a different part of the process. Thousands of individual actions happening together, yet nothing feels chaotic. Order replaces noise. This factory is not loud because it is aggressive. It is loud because it is working. Watch as new material enters the system again. Machines are already ready for it. They do not adjust their mood or pace. They simply continue. Night passes outside these walls. Morning returns. But inside, nothing changes. This is how industries meet demand. This is how supply chains stay alive. Machines take over where human limits begin. Look at the final stage of the line now. Finished products move away smoothly. Clean, precise, ready for use. There is no celebration here. Completion is just another step. Because in this factory, the next job is already waiting. If you find yourself watching longer than expected, that's natural. There is something deeply satisfying about systems that work without interruption. No drama, no delays, no uncertainty. Just machines doing exactly what they were built to do. This is why factories never truly sleep. This is why people can't look away. If you enjoy watching real machines doing real work, this is only one example. More factories, bigger machines, even heavier workloads. Subscribe and keep watching. Because inside these walls, the work never stops.